Coolants and lubricants are indispensable when machining metal parts during turning, milling, or grinding. They reduce heat transfer between the tool and the workpiece, thereby extending the lifespan of your tool. Depending on whether you need to focus on cooling or lubrication during machining, different systems such as cutting oils, aqueous emulsions or microemulsions, as well as synthetic coolants and lubricants can be used. Microemulsions can be used in a wide variety of ways thanks to their combination of ultrafine oil droplets and the excellent thermal conductivity of water. The different additives are tailored to the materials being machined. It is not only the machining performance that matters, but also the prevention of staining on critical alloys. With proper maintenance, they can achieve a long service life, lasting from several months to years. Coolants and lubricants are often underestimated. However, they are capable of optimizing surface quality, speeding up machining times, minimizing waste, and reducing the amount of force required for machining. Therefore, they are an essential component of modern machining technology, with a significant impact on overall process costs.